Shares of E.L.F. Beauty soared after the cosmetics firm raised its annual sales forecast. They're up nearly 7% since yesterday's earnings call. E.L.F. says sales rose 36% during the past quarter. The company also says it received $50 million back from the U.S. government in tariff refunds. E.L.F. lowered the prices on about 10% of its products to see if it would drive volume. It's also expanding to more countries after buying the Rhode brand last year from Hailey Bieber. Tarang Amin is the CEO of E.L.F. Beauty, and he joins us now. We'll get to the tariff refunds in a moment, but I wanted to zero into the fact that sales rose to nearly $480 million. That's up a third from a year prior. How? You are in an amazingly cutthroat business. What happened in the last year?
Well, first of all, thank you for having me. I'm so proud of our team. This was our 30th consecutive quarter of net sales growth. We've been averaging over 20% growth per quarter. As you said, we just did 36% sales growth. That's over 7 continuous years of sales growth, and it's the same winning formula we've had across these 7.5 years. It's really our value proposition, our powerhouse innovation, and our disruptive marketing engine, and strength across our entire portfolio. So I'm really proud of the team.
Now, we did see that, there has been some adversity here, not least of which to the tariffs. Now, the refunds with those original tariffs are in the rearview mirror. What I'm wondering about here is, what are you doing in the coming months to try and insulate yourself from these supply chain shocks? Because I'm sure you're not betting against them, right? We just don't know what the Trump administration will do in the coming months.
Well, that's another thing that I'm really proud of, is how our teams navigated all the volatility out there, whether it be the pandemic, the inflationary pressures after the pandemic, tariffs. We've continued to post growth. And a part of that has also been our diversification of our supply chain. A few years ago, only 1% of our production came out of China. By the end of this fiscal year, we expect it to be around 60%. So the team's done an amazing job of continuing to diversify our supply chain, less about tariffs and more about meeting the strong global demand that we see for our brands. Our international business was up 61% this past quarter, and we see massive white space ahead.
I do want to get to some of that success, but full confession here, you bought Hailey Bieber's Rhode brand for $1 billion last year. I just shook my head and thought that is a huge price to pay. I understand what you're saying. It's been so successful, in fact, even viral in some cases. I want to show our viewers something that I learned this afternoon. This is a picture of a phone case that includes lip gloss. Now, guys, this is genius. I tried to buy this in various colors online. It's basically already sold out. I did not know this before we were doing the research this afternoon for this piece. I mean, what is it? Is it Hailey Bieber? Is it the combination? Again, I think $1 billion is a lot of money to pay for this brand. When you're looking at a payback here, is lip gloss and phone cases going to do it?
Well, I got to tell you, I've been in the consumer space 35 years, and Rhode is one of the most special brands I've ever seen. It has phenomenal growth. I think in the quarter, we posted $160 million of net sales, more than double a year ago. And every part of the brand is resonating. Hailey Bieber is one of the most thoughtful founders I've ever met. She has incredible instincts, a beautiful aesthetic, and everything she touches is golden. I mean, we had our summer launch for Rhode this summer when we introduced it on rhodeskin.com. We did $27 million of sales in one day. And for perspective, that's more than 98% of the brands in our space do in an entire year. So it tells you how much this brand is resonating. And as great as results have been, we were not only the biggest launches at Sephora and Mecca I've ever seen, and we're the #1 brands at both retailers, but we have so much white space ahead of us. I'm super excited that next month we're going to be launching Rhode in 19 countries with Sephora across Europe. So we continue to see very strong growth ahead. And I think in the rearview mirror, that will be one of the best acquisitions beauty has ever had in terms of Rhode joining the E.L.F. Beauty family.
Yeah, full disclosure, I would have been wrong about the price tag if your numbers bear out over the next couple of years. I do want to ask you a question about the E.L.F. brand itself. In some cases, this is kind of a starter line for young girls, and there has been some concern about, the young girls really gravitating to things like makeup and skincare too early, and yet so much of that is taken up by the E.L.F brand. I mean, do you guys have those discussions inside the boardroom? Because I'm sure it is something that's on your radar.
Well, one of the great things about E.L.F is our superpowers. We not only have prestige quality at extraordinary prices and broad appeal, but we're also vegan, double certified cruelty-free by PETA and Leaping Bunny, and we have an E.L.F clean standard. So there are over 2,500 ingredients we don't even formulate with. The FDA in the US only bans E.L.F, and we're the only beauty company that's fair trade certified. So I think it's that combination that gives us a great deal of confidence that anything used on E.L.F is great and safe. And we're mainly a complexion brand. We're not a very bold colors. Our skincare products are amazing, really, at any age, and you continue to see this hybrids between color and skin. And so there's a reason why we're the #1 brand amongst Gen Z, Gen Alpha, and millennials. It's the innovation we have, products that are amazing, as well as our ability to engage our audiences.
You've certainly proven to be a company to watch, and we'll continue to look on, whether it's online or with you in these interviews. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.